Attention please. If your business depends on you for everything, then you don't own a business, you own a job. And here is the truth most people won't tell you. The difference between struggling entrepreneurs and top CEO is not just hard work, it's structure. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how to structure your business like a top CEO, even if you are just starting, so you can scale, earn more, and stop being overwhelmed. If you are new here, I help young entrepreneurs build profitable, scalable businesses and develop a CEO mindset. So if you want to grow faster and smarter, hit that subscribe button because this channel is built for you. Now, let's get into it. Number 1, think like a CEO, not a worker. Before structure comes, mindset is there. Most people think like workers. Why do I need to do? What do I need to do? How do I finish this task? But CEO thinks differently. What system handles this? Who can do this better than me? A CEO's job is not to do everything. A CEO's job is to design how everything gets done. If you don't shift this mindset, you will stay stuck. Stop asking, how do I do this? Start asking, how should this be structured? Number 2, build clear business pillars. Every successful business is built on 4 core pillars. Number 1, marketing, how people find you. Number 2, sales, how you can convert attention into money. Number 3, operation, how you deliver your product or service. Number 4, finance, how you manage and grow your money. Most small businesses fail because everything is mixed together. Top CEOs separate this clearly. Examples: instead of I run a business, they think of having a marketing system. I have a sales system. I have an operational system. This creates clarity and control. Number 3, create system for everything. Top CEOs don't rely on memory, they rely on system. A system is simply a repeatable way of doing something. Examples are how you respond to customers, how you post content, how you onboard clients. If it's repeated more than once, it should be a system. Why this matter is, it saves time, it reduces mistakes, and makes scaling possible. If your business cannot run without you, it is not structured properly. Number 4, build roles before you build a team. Many people hire too early or wrongly. Top CEOs don't just hire people, they define roles first. Instead of saying, I need help, say, I need someone responsible for content creation. I need someone handling customer support. Even if you are alone, define roles like CEO, marketers, salesperson, and operational manager. This does 2 things. It removes confusion. It prepares you for scaling. You are building a company, not just working alone. Number 5, track what matters. CEOs don't guess, they track numbers. If you are not tracking, you are flying blind. Keep numbers to track: daily revenue, conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, profit margin. Example: if 100 people see your offer and only 2 buy, that's not a traffic problem, that's a conversion problem. Numbers tell you where to fix. Number 6, focus on high impact tasks. Not all work is equal. Top CEOs focus on strategy, growth, partnerships, and vision. They avoid busy work, repetitive tasks, low value activities. Ask yourself daily, is this something only I can do? If not, it should be delegated or systemized. Number 7, build for scale from day one. Most people build small and struggle later. Top CEOs build with scale in mind. Digital system, automation, repeatable processes. Even if you are small today, think big. Structure determines growth. Let's recap. To structure your business like a top CEO, number 1, think like a CEO, not a worker. Number 2, build clear business pillar. Number 3, create system for everything. Number 4, define roles before hiring. Number 5, track your numbers. Number 6, focus on high impact tasks. Number 7, build for scale. If you apply this, your business will stop feeling chaotic and start operating like a real company. If this video helped you, drop a comment, I am building like a CEO, and tell me what part of your business needs structure right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is serious about growth.